Pang-teleserye ba ang acting mo sa church? Hello, Unstoppables! Pang-teleserye ba ang acting mo sa church? Banal na banal pag linggo, pero demonyo ang ugali pag Lunes? Cut the performance! Marami sa atin, ginagawang entablado ang simbahan. Gusto nating ma-impress si pastor, ma-impress ang katabi, pero si Lloyd hindi natutuwa. Ang ganda ng role mo as mabait na Kristiyano, pero ang puso mo, punong-puno ng hatreds. Tandaan, hindi Netflix ang langit. Walang subscription fee, pero bawal ang fake. God hates hypocrisy. He prefers an honest sinner over a fake saint. Quit performing for the applause of people. Live for the audience of one. Matthew chapter 6 verse 1 warns, be careful not to practice your righteousness in front of others to be seen by them. Bawal ang papampam sa spiritual life. Drop the act. Be real. Stop the performance. Again, this is Miss Didian reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye!